amazing Saturday. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. My name is Nikki, and we have such a wonderful time here with giveaways, live streams, obviously unboxings, all kinds of stuff happening. So go ahead and smash that button and join our YouTube family. But as you guys can see, today we have the November 2019 BoxyCharm. So you're also probably wondering, why doesn't she have lipstick on? Well, that's because I'm really hoping that inside here is one of the Dose of Colors lippies that I can wear. So we're just gonna wing it with that. For those of you that do not know, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription. It is now $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size beauty products. Could range from skincare to makeup, and it's supposed to have a value of $125. So we're gonna get in here and see what I got. I'm so excited. Now, I did get the Boxy Premium, so I am not supposed to get brushes. I'm supposed to get some kind of facial mist. So we will see if that actually happened. But I want to remind you guys before we get into the unboxing, we do have quite a few active giveaways going on. So definitely check them out. They will be linked down below. Otherwise, let's get into this and see what we got. All right, so this is what I see when I open it. The box now is red inside, and there we have that. So we have our card here. The theme for November is Stellar. And let's see, I got variation 21. All right, so we're just gonna dive in here. All right. So now this is in here, they are starting the complexion matching, because I'm guessing they're gonna start putting concealer and foundation, which would be amazing, into our boxes. So this does not count as an actual product. This is from Pretty Vulgar, the Undercover Lightweight Concealer. So you can go on and try these, and there's more than just those shades for your complexion. So that's just kind of thrown in. But let's get in here, and the first thing I see is the Dose of Colors lippy, y'all. Yay! And I got the shade Date Night, which looks like it'll be a really pretty red. So let's read about it. So the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. Our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety, high-fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra-comfortable matte finish, and this is $18. And that is 100% true. I love the Dose of Color lippies. They just feel so amazing. So we're gonna try this guy on. Oh my gosh, yes. You guys, do you see this? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited. So it has a regular doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh. Yes, y'all. Is that not stunning? That is like the perfect classic red. What? Oh my gosh. So yes, Dose of Colors Date Night. Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. Oh my gosh, off to a wonderful start. I'm so excited, and it feels amazing. I love the formula of the Dose of Colors lippies. So yay. All right, so then right here on top, we also have, we have 2 of them, Starry Eyes. Let's find this. Pop Band Starry Eyes Pop Mask set of 2. These self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. You may find that they can help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye mask will start to gently warm. Pop the loops around your ears, sit back, and relax. It's $10, so I guess they're $5 a piece. Y'all, that actually sounds so amazing. Like, to put that on and just kind of relax and have that warmth. I'm actually really excited to try these. Oh my goodness. Indulgent self-warming eye mask. The world's kindest eye mask. Warms up in 30 seconds. So there you can see right there. I'm super pumped about these actually. Yay. Okay. All right. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Now, the next item, I know because you are allowed to choose one item for your box, and I chose the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment right here. And this is $50. I did not realize that. A proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic, antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Yes, I turned 35 this year, so I need all the help I can get. So this is what it looks like outside of the package. I love the packaging of all Juice Beauty products. It's just so sleek and I don't know. How do you use this? Oh, okay, so you press right here and then you just gently massage. So that's different. I like that actually. And for an eye serum, that should last quite a while. All right, so then obviously everyone received the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominic Cosmetics, and this is valued at $35. Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. So, ooh, these are actually very pretty. Like, they're gorgeous. I'm loving these. So we have 3 shimmer foils and 5 mattes. All right, so what I'm gonna do to just go ahead and try, I'm just gonna swatch, let's see, I'll swatch this matte right here, Zero Gravity, and then this shimmery foil, Eternal Light, so we can kind of get an idea of the formula. It feels nice. So there's that. But again, one more look, you guys. This palette is stunning. It really is. I don't know how much use out of this or this pink I'll get, but like they said, definitely a fun pop. So you never know. All right, so whoa. Okay, so the matte actually did, I think, swatch pretty well. But you guys, look at that. That's almost like a highlight. You could use that as a highlight. That is absolutely gorgeous. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Whoa. All right. And then our final product is, oh my gosh. All right. So yay BoxyCharm for actually doing what you said. Because I got the premium, I did not get the brushes. I got the Farfalle Rose Gold Skin Mist, 24 karat gold infused, hydrate, prime, and set. So there's the packaging. Where is this at? A 4-in-1 wonder for all skin types, infused with gold flakes and rose hip seed oil for a hydrating alcohol-free mist. $39. Shake gently before use. Hold bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face and spray on bare skin or over makeup. Keep eyes closed when spraying. The Rose Gold Skin Mist is a 4-in-1 wonder for the skin, infused with 24 karat gold flakes. It acts as a hydrating skin mist containing the rose hip seed oil as a primer to grip makeup in place, as a setting mist to ensure all-day wear, and as a makeup refresher throughout the day. That is awesome. I'm so excited. All right. And if I remember correctly from the sneak peek, this bottle is gorgeous. And again, if you've been following me, y'all know I love me some facial mist. And this is just gorgeous. Y'all see the gold in there? Look at that. Ah! That is so beautiful. All right, so we're going to spritz it. So shake gently. I'm going to shake like this. And we're gonna do one test, just a. Oh, that looks like a very fine mist. It really doesn't have much of a spray. I mean, I've scent. That feels amazing on my skin. It doesn't really have a scent to it at all, but that feels so amazing. I'm so excited to get this. So just to recap, again, I did get the Farfalle Rose Gold 24 karat Skin Mist, the Celestial Thunder Dominic Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which the 2 shades I swatched were both amazing, the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream, this amazing Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lip in Date Night, and the 2 little warming eye mask. I cannot wait to try one of these tonight, and I absolutely will be trying one of these because we had a cold snap here, so that to me makes it even better. It was like 30 degrees overnight. I woke up this morning, it was like 36. So I can't wait to try one of these also, just to relax and depuff. So I am super excited. You guys, this is probably the best BoxyCharm box I have opened in a while. I love everything. If I would have been able to pick the products that I wanted from the list that I'm sure is extensive, I would have selected all of these products. This is like my perfect box. I will add up the value and put it right down here for you guys, the total value of my box. And again, I had variation number 21. So let me know, Warbury Box Twins, what did you guys get? Do you get BoxyCharm? If not, I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up. Again, the regular box is $25 a month with a guaranteed value of over $125. They do now have the Boxy Premium, which is $35. And you can also get Boxy Luxe once you have become a charmer. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.